Hi children, today I am going to explain you right slanting line. Right? Now already you learned standing line, sleeping line and left slanting line. Right? Now I am going to write here right slanting line children. Now if I hold like this, what do you say? Left slanting line. Right? Now if I hold scale like this, what you can see? What you can say? Right slanting line. Okay children? Left slanting line and this one right slanting line. Okay? See this chalk is standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line, right slanting line, right? Now see this box. What is this position? Standing line. This one, sleeping line. If I hold like this, what do you say? Left slanting line. And right, see this one? Now this one, right slanting line. Now here I am going to write right slanting line. Okay children? Right slanting line. Okay. Now how to write right slanting line children? See here lines. First red line, first blue line, second blue line and last red line. Right. Now here you should write like this children. Take 2 finger space gap. Right slanting line. Like this you have to practice in your rough notebook or on the slate. Okay. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. First red line to second blue line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Say I write now. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. First red line to second blue line. See here, first red line to second blue line. Write like this. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Hi children. Dear parents, please take your child English workbook. Open page 4. Here this one what children? Left slanting line. Okay. Now this one what? Right slanting line. Just now I explained to you. Right. Now how to write right slanting line? Here first you have to trace properly children. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. First red line to second blue line. First right slanting line. Right slanting line. Now write like this only children. Write properly. Write carefully children. Right slanting line. First red line to second blue line. Right slanting line. Say I right. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. right slanting line, right? Now go to next line, write again here, right slanting line, right slanting line, right slanting line. First red line to second blue line, right slanting line, right slanting line. Now go to last line, right slanting 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 line. Write children properly, neatly, carefully. Okay.